Good job, guys.
Good job.
Yeah.
What a good friend Emma is. Good job. Can you turn them around? Good
Ready?
job, you guys.
Just turn around. Yeah. Okay. You got it, Emma? Hold on.
That's fast.
He knows. He tucks it.
The left foot's a little heavy.
Whoa.
Lopsided.
It is so cute. Oh. Wow. Good job, Emma. Good job, Emma. Whoa.
Need help?
Good job, you guys.
Shall we help?
Do it one more time.
One more time? Okay, one more.
This is the most fun Jace has had. Playing with his toys and his friend.